Are you on a healthy diet? Take miniature nachos. Out of Pringles? Take a huge can. We've got crackers for a picnic to satisfy everybody. The snacks of different sizes will certainly amaze you. Watch our new video and choose which of the snacks you like the most. Redhead is a real magician when it comes to food. Voila! And she takes out mini chips right out of my hair. Cut a banana into thin slices. Use a straw or a cap to cut out small circles. Put them on parchment paper. Set a dry fruits mode on a microwave and put them in. Make a mini banana chips package. Put in the chips when ready. Trim the edges of the wrapper. I can't believe that a banana has been in my hair this whole time. No wonder that the back of my head has been itching the whole morning. Redhead is not just a magician, she is also a dietitian. Except that she has kept a normal-sized chips bag for herself. She's so cunning. I want the same one. Time flies when you are having a friendly chat. And you also run out of chips fast. But Redhead knows how to make Pringles stock bigger. You just have to make a big pack of your favorite snack. Knead dough of mashed potatoes and flour. Roll it out thin. Cut it out, tracing a round plate. Put it on parchment paper and bake it in an oven for 15 to 20 minutes at about 280 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover the chips with oil when ready. Blot the excess oil with a napkin or a paper towel. Add some salt. Cut off the excess rim of a big plastic container. Attach a big printed Pringles label to a wide strip of red paper. Wrap it around the container. Print a black and white logo seal with a tab and attach it to the inside of the plastic lid. Put the chips into the can. Redhead opens her chips stash. That's exactly what I meant! This Pringles package will be enough for the whole night of a friendly chat. A picnic in the park is a great idea, especially when you have tuck crackers of incredible size. Put in 2 teaspoonfuls of salt in 7 ounces of flour. Grate 4 ounces of cold butter. Mix everything quickly. Pour 2 fluid ounces of milk and knead the dough. Add 2 ounces of grated Parmesan. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and put it into a fridge for an hour. Sprinkle parchment paper with flour and roll out the dough so that it is 1/4 of an inch thick. Make a rectangular cracker shape, cutting off the corners. Make holes with a straw like the ones on the real cracker. Make the logo in the center. Bake it for 20 to 30 minutes in an oven at the temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover one side of a big yellow paper piece with foil. Print a big cracker label and attach it to the other side. Hot glue the package and put in the cracker. Emma tears the package apart. So this is how a giant tuck cracker looks. Redhead looks in awe at the super cracker. She bites off a piece. Mmm, so delicious. But my friend's crackers must be better. Unfortunately, no. Our crackers are the same. They are so huge that my jaw has gotten tired of chewing. And we've got a baby cracker for those who like miniature things. It is so tiny. Be careful not to lose it. Sprinkle a board with flour and roll out yeast-free dough thin. Cut it into 1/2-inch strips and cut each to make rectangles with the cut-off corners. Make holes with a toothpick, creating a tuck logo. Put the raw crackers on parchment paper. Add salt and spices. Turn on a grill mode in a microwave and bake the crackers for 20 minutes. Cut out a miniature copy of a tuck cookie wrapper. Coat it with clear tape and double tape the package. Trim the edge and put the mini crackers in the packages. The baby tuck is so compact. Perfect mini snack, but we run out of it pretty fast. All the crackers are gone in the blink of an eye. Cindy has started a healthy diet. She keeps chewing on apples, but deep down, she's dreaming of chips and French fries. The healthy diet is not my cup of tea. I open up a package of nachos right before my friend's eyes. I can't see my friend suffer. I've got a micro nachos replica for her. You can still keep fit with this tiny snack. Cut a potato into thin slices. Cut them into strips and split it into small triangles. Add spices. Put the triangles on the parchment paper smudged with oil. Add salt and pepper. Turn on a grill mode and bake them for 20 minutes. Cut out and double tape a mini nachos package. Put the mini nachos into it. My friend likes the baby nachos. Cheat meal that keeps you fit. But once she bites the forbidden nachos, she wants more and more. Finally, she snatches the whole package from my hand. But I know what to do. I will take giant Doritos chips. Cut out tortilla or flatbread on parchment paper. Form a triangle. Put paprika, turmeric, and salt into vegetable oil. Cover both sides of the triangular chip with the spicy oil mixture. Grate Parmesan on top of it. Bake it for 5 to 10 minutes at the temperature of 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And make a few giant nachos. Attach foil to one side of a big red paper piece. Print a big Doritos label and attach it to the other side. Hot glue the big wrapper and put in the giant nachos. Who needs a regular pack when you can get mountain-sized nachos? I tear apart the package. Here it is, my precious! These giant chips are so heavy that I can't hold them. My friend also wants to try a piece. No way! The healthy apples are your meal for today. A healthy candy bar can also be tasty. Cindy eats her fitness bar and I watch her enviously. Is there a piece for me? But my friend is unbending. I get only a small version of the bar. Cut off a small elongated piece of a fitness bar. Press it with fingers to shape a mini bar. Print out a mini label and cover it with clear tape. Fold up the wrapper. Put in the mini bar. Trim the edges. This bar is so teeny, as though it's lost some weight after fitness exercises. I eat it in a split second. Oh, it's delicious, but it's not enough. Is it a special way of portion control? Emma is trying to guess which hand the gift is in. The first try failed. On her second attempt, she finds a small cup of Wasabi Peanuts. Chop fried peanuts. Dip each piece into wasabi sauce and let it dry. Cover a small paint container with blue acrylic paint. Print a mini peanut label and attach it to the container. Cut a seal with a tab out of self-adhesive foil. Put the dried peanuts into the can. Attach the foil seal. My friend takes off the foil and throws all the peanuts into her mouth in one move. She doesn't even share it with me. I think I shouldn't have been so kind to others. Did you like our weird snack ideas? Then write in your comments which snack size you will choose to share with your friends. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new edible transformations on the Troom Troom channel.